How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can use or line up parts in Fusion 360. Basically, we're going to use the line command for this one. So first things first, you want to hit the S button on your keyboard, which will then open up the design shortcuts. From here, you simply want to search for align. Now it's going to be extremely simple using the align command. I'm going to use components, and then I'm going to align this to this face right here. So you can just click on it and then it will align it automatically. Now, this is really useful, especially when you're dealing with complex or really complex stuff where you really have to measure everything out. So there's a lot of ways that you could do this. I'm just going to click on the right click option, and then basically you have the repeat align right here. And then let's do the same thing. Let's view the under part. Let's click on this face. And then let's click on the bottom part right here, which will then align the object once more. So that's how easy it is to align or use the align function. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.